IGF is very important because it created the new model of cooperation of all stakeholders at the area of digital issues. And we need to keep this model and develop this model. This is not a decision-making venue, but this is a venue in which all stakeholders could present their views on digital development, and this is a good background for decisions in the future.
Yes, IGF remains relevant because this is where we have the strong commitment to this multi-stakeholder approach, which the European Commission has consistently supported and which it will continue to support. It remains also relevant because of a number of topics that it discusses, such as, IGF, internet governance, and the role of the digital divide in marginalized communities, the role of women in tech, the role of, how to improve, how to empower more women in this area.
We have to go back in history. It was established in 2005 as a forum for multi-stakeholder discussion involving all stakeholders. It was not set up to create decisions and to create outcomes, and this is something we should recall when discussing the relevance of the IGF. I do think the IGF is still the forum for multi-stakeholder discussion, and I do also understand that there is a desire for more tangible outcome.
We talked a bit today about the legitimacy of the IGF, and I think the legitimacy is very much tied to who's actually there for the discussion. The IGF itself is not a decision-making body, it shouldn't be a decision-making body, but it is a really valuable opportunity for bringing together different stakeholders to discuss issues and policy challenges from all perspectives. And so for that to be effective, for that to be a really valuable part of other policy-making processes, you really need to make sure you have all of the right stakeholders in the room talking together, providing that perspective.
For Ethno, the IGF remains very relevant. We think it's a very good forum to exchange views and European values in particular with a whole set of different stakeholders. We have the civil society there, we have government, we have industry. That being said, I think the legitimacy of IGF could be strengthened by having more industry in the different sessions there.